Good morning, everyone. I am Preston Noble with Team Keto. Many of you may ask, what do I mean by morning keto drink? Well, most of you have probably heard the term keto coffee or bulletproof coffee thrown around by now, which, if you're a coffee lover, is a great option to start off your day. If you're not a huge coffee fan, no worries. If you just don't drink it, totally fine. Then Keto Hot Chocolate or Bulletproof Hot Chocolate is another great option as a morning keto drink. So what is the difference? Well, it's pretty simple. Keto coffee, as its base ingredient, contains, well, coffee, all right? Whereas the Keto Hot Chocolate does not contain coffee as its base ingredient. In place of coffee, I personally like to use 8 to 12 ounces of unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk, plus 1 to 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So let's get into a few details. Coffee contains caffeine, which can help jumpstart not just your day, but also your metabolism and aid in daily fat burn. If you use regular black coffee, then you don't need to worry about calories in the coffee, since most of any calories present in the coffee bean will be shed off in the filter as the coffee grounds. If you are drinking Keto Hot Chocolate, then you also get some stimulant action to jumpstart your day and your metabolism from not the caffeine, but the theobromine, or theobromine as some people call it, in the cocoa powder. Now, the amount of theobromine varies typically from about 2 to 10% depending on which brand of cocoa powder you use. But even at its max, you probably won't feel quite the same energy jolt from the amount of theobromine compared to the amount of caffeine found in coffee. So whether you use coffee or cocoa, in the end, what makes it keto is the fats you add to it. If you'd like to learn more, make sure to check out our blog article on teamketo.com, or just stay tuned for our next video, the 3 reasons why adding fat to your morning keto drink makes sense.